ready to power up your communication with a dedicated phone number. Let's dive into how to buy a number from Messagebird and get you sending SMS and making calls in no time. First, head over to messagebird.com, a link is in the description, and click the sign up button. To create your free account, you'll need to enter your email address, create a password, and verify your account via email. Once logged in, you'll land on your Messagebird dashboard on the left-hand side. Look for the numbers option in the navigation menu and click on it. Now you're on the Buy Numbers page. The first thing you'll want to do is select the country you need a phone number from using the country drop-down menu. Next, refine your search by number type. Messagebird offers mobile numbers, local geographic numbers, and toll-free numbers. Select the type that best suits your needs. You'll see a list of available numbers matching your criteria. Pay attention to the capabilities column. It tells you whether the number supports SMS, voice, or both. Choose a number that provides the communication method that is needed. Once you've found your perfect number, click Buy. You'll be taken to a confirmation screen where you can review the details and payment information. You will need to add a payment method if you haven't already. After completing the purchase, you'll find your new number listed in your Messagebird dashboard. From there, you can configure it to handle incoming messages and calls using Messagebird's powerful API. It's time to build